Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the pound rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The S&P 500 closed barely changed as investors took a breather after 3 weekly gains and awaited key inflation readings and earnings reports due this week, while a survey showed consumers concerned about inflation. Geoffrey Morphy, the now former president and CEO of cryptocurrency mining firm Bitfarms, will be stepping down immediately after filing a lawsuit against the company in Canada. Morphy filed a $27 million lawsuit against Bitfarms' breach of contract, wrongful dismissal, and aggravated and punitive damages. Anglo American rejected a raised takeover offer of $42.6 billion from BHP Group, saying the world's largest listed miner continues to significantly undervalue the company. The London-listed miner had earlier rebuffed BHP's initial $39 billion all-share proposal.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT, the UK's employment change at 6 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT, Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.